Introducing the 2024 BYD Seal BYD Excellence 4. Door auto in a stunning blue exterior. This electric vehicle boasts a host of luxury features such as ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and a 360 view camera for ultimate safety. With a sleek saloon body style and luxury roof liner, this car is as stylish as it is practical. Not to mention the multitude of security features like ABS, collision alert, and lane departure warning. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Contact us at Dooley Motors Carlo today to schedule a test drive.